Hi, I'm Ben, and I saw your question, and I think I might have an answer. I'll let you know I could not see the graph that was supposedly illustrated above, but based off of Algebra 2 material, or Algebra 1 material, it's probably one of these three. And I'll explain how these graphs work so that you can get an understanding of what's going on, okay? Now we have on the bottom, we have our x-axis, okay? These are the numbers that you just count up to and you plug them in. So we plug in 1 here. What's y going to be equal to? 1. That's where it's going to be up here. And as you see, 1 is indeed equal to 1. So I'll just do 1 red here, 1. And it goes up in a straight line. This is called a linear function. These are called functions. And we'll move on to x squared. Let's move on to x squared because you can have different things. You could also have like x plus 1 or x minus 1 and things like that. And I'll leave that to you to play around with. And you can do these with these other functions too. You can use a graphing utility like Desmos. So with x squared, x times x. So let's do the case again with 1. We're going to go up 1. We're going to plug in 1 for each of these. 1 times 1 is still 1, so we move over to 2. Y is going to be equal to 2 times 2. What's 2 times 2 going to be equal to? Hold on, 2. Up here, 4. That's right, y is equal to 4. And we get this line called a parabola because you plug in any one of these numbers in between and you're going to get a number that lands on that line. And that's what computers do. And you do the same thing for something like x cubed. So we plug in 1, x times x times x. We'll do 2 this time again. 2 to the 4th is 8. So yeah, we're already beyond the scope of the graph here. But this is the idea behind the function, is you're taking the number that you're counting up and plugging it into whatever you're doing and coming out with the value that is so far high, okay? I hope that makes sense, and I'll see you. Thank you.